Hello, my name is Scott Surratt, Executive Chef at West End Market. Today I'll be showing you the ingredients to make our Flounder Ceviche for our upcoming chef series on March 4th. Here we have skin off flounder fillet, coconut milk, fresh squeezed lemon juice, minced ginger, plantain, red onion, green onion, fresh cut cilantro, kosher salt, avocado. All of these ingredients I was able to source here locally at Kroger. Join us next week and I'll show you how to make this dish from home. Also on March 4th, please join us at D2 where you can sample this dish along with 2 others. I hope to see you there.